Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert image and print in Excel. So let's start this maxel, and here to insert image go to the insert tab. Okay, in illustration group click on the pictures option, insert picture from this device, stock image and online picture. So I select here this device, and here you can see your pictures folder is open automatically. Okay, so I select here the picture. So I select these flowers and click on insert, and that's it. The picture is inserted. You just drag anywhere and set. With this picture format tab is added. If you want to change the style of picture, you can use this picture style. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here the different styles. Okay. If you want to remove this background, again go to the picture format, and here you can see the remove background option. Just click on it and your background is removed. Okay. And if you want to change the size, crop, you can use these options to formatting in your pictures. Okay. Now to print this picture, press the Control P and that's it. Here you can see the print preview is open. Okay. Simply select the printer, click on the options and drop down arrow and select the printer. After that, click on the print. And that's it. Your picture will print. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.